This is a quick screencast to see how to check your students' grades in Blackboard. First, I'm starting off at the PGA webpage. That's pga.psdschools.org. Then I'm going to come over to the student button over here and scroll down until you see Blackboard. One thing that's highly recommended in order for you to be able to check your students' grades is to get their username and password, their PSD username and password, so that you can log in and have the conversation with your student about where their grades are at. So I've logged in as the student. You'll see all of their classes over here. I'm going to scroll down to American Government. And on this left-hand sidebar over here, you can see the My Grades section. At the top here, you see the overall grade. That's the running grade for the semester, the average of all of the assignments that have been submitted so far. And as we scroll down, you can see this particular student got a 10 out of 10 on their syllabus quiz, a 9 out of 9 on their lesson 1 quiz, a 5 out of 5 on their interactive notebooks. When you see this symbol, this exclamation mark, that means it needs grading. So that pretty much means that the student has completed that assignment, but a teacher needs to go in and grade it themselves. Over here we see on this assignment, the 5 out of 5, there is a view feedback. We can click that and read some of the teacher's feedback back to the student. Please always encourage your students to read feedback so they know how to continue to develop and grow as learners. We have another assignment down here that needs grading. And then this assignment, the parent signature, that one is 0.1. That indicates that the due date has passed for that particular assignment. So that assignment is missing or late. So it doubles as going in as a 0 out of 5, but also indicating to the student that they didn't get a 0 on the assignment, but rather that it is missing or late. To get back out to the main page, you just come up here and click Home, and this is where you could navigate to the next class, such as their English class or their math class. I highly encourage all parents to sit down with students and have it be a conversation of where your grades are at, especially on Mondays when the week is starting and on Fridays when the week is wrapping up, when generally most of the assignments are due.